RightBlogger makes auto-blogging with WordPress easy. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up RightBlogger's WordPress plugin so that you can use our content planner to automatically schedule AI SEO optimized content to be published directly to your website. Let's dive in. First, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your RightBlogger account, and then you're going to head over to the projects area of your RightBlogger account. And if you haven't created a project yet, you can hit this add project button, and in the description below this video, there's a full tutorial video that walks through how to set up projects and get the absolute most out of your projects. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and set up my own WordPress plugin for my blog. So I'm going to select that project, and over here on the integrations tab inside my project settings, you'll see some instructions right here, including a link to download our plugin and then bring it over to your website for installation. And if you want some more detailed instructions, you can hit this setup guide button right here. It'll take you over to our full tutorial on how to get our WordPress plugin installed. Now that we've got the RightBlogger WordPress plugin downloaded, we'll come over to our blog. We're logged in here already to WordPress, and so this is the back end of my blog, and I'm going to navigate over here to the plugins tab, and I'm going to select the add plugin button. And now we're going to choose the file where we just grabbed that from our downloads right here. Now, it's going to be called RightBlogger WordPress plugin. Keep it as a zip file. You need to upload this as a .zip. And once it's uploaded, click the Install Now button. In a matter of seconds, the plugin will be uploaded, and you'll click this Activate Plugin button to finalize the steps. To finish up our connection, let's just go down to the RightBlogger plugin where we just installed it and click the Settings button. And now we're going to hit this Connect to RightBlogger button, which will pop open this menu right here where you're going to choose which project you want to connect this instance of the RightBlogger plugin to. And since this one was for my blog, I'm going to select that one right there, click the Connect button, and now return to WordPress. And we're all done. You can see that the RightBlogger plugin automatically detected that I used Yoast SEO here on my blog. And so now RightBlogger can automatically send the SEO meta titles and meta descriptions directly to my Yoast SEO plugin. And trust me, this is the kind of thing that saves you tons of time and effort at scale as you begin using our content planner automations. Last but not least, when we come back to RightBlogger, you'll notice a few changes inside your integrations tab. If you previously used our first method of application password to connect your website to RightBlogger, you'll notice that the plugin has replaced that, and there's nothing else you need to do other than to toggle your settings here. And this is a really important part right here. You have the option to send either a draft, a pending post, or a published article straight to your site from RightBlogger's content planner. Personally, I recommend sending drafts because I like to review my content myself before I send new stuff live to my blog. But depending upon the purpose of your site and the pace you want to go with content creation, then you may want to send something that's published, which means your content from RightBlogger's content planner will go straight to being live on the internet, already optimized and formatted correctly on your blog. A few final notes here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the auto category, the auto SEO title, auto SEO description, auto focus keyword, and auto featured image. These are the types of settings that I like RightBlogger to do for me. Tags I find aren't as particularly relevant these days, but it's a setting that you can populate if you choose to. Now that we've got the plugin installed and my settings dialed in here, I'm going to click the Save Changes button, and now we're ready to rock and roll. So when I come over here to my content planner, I can see that everything scheduled for the rest of my month here is going to be published using the RightBlogger WordPress plugin integration. If we take a quick look at an example here inside my content planner for this article that's going to be set to schedule on Wednesday, let's click the Edit Post button, and we can verify that this is going to be sent to my WordPress via the integration plugin we just installed. If I want, I can adjust when this post gets published in my calendar based on the time of day or the day of the week that it's set to go live. And as with every piece of content created using RightBlogger's content planner, anytime you want to edit it, you can hit this Edit Content and Article Writer button. It's going to pop it open inside our article writer, where you have the opportunity to make edits, adjustments, add an SEO report, and further optimize, refine your content to encourage better rankability straight out the gates. And there we have it. That's how to set up RightBlogger's WordPress plugin. If you want a link to our full tutorial on how to make this happen for your site, check out the link in the description below this video. And if you run into any issues along the way, just hit us up. We're always accessible. You can reach us at contact@rightblogger.com. Thank you.